Okay, well, I'm here at this junkyard in Little Compton, Rhode Island. I'm waiting for somebody to come and help me with something, but I just couldn't resist filming some of the stuff here. I mean, really, it's remarkable what ends up in a scrapyard, the junkyard, whatever you want to call it. It's kind of remarkable, you know? This is kind of just regular stuff, but it's every type of car you can come across. This part of the junkyard is basically newer stuff. At one point or another, I'm going to go down further down the back, and there's a lot of old stuff back there. Packards, yeah, Chryslers, a lot of very old, interesting vehicles that have ended up here to rot away or get crushed or be salvaged for parts. Yeah, kind of funny that little Firebird over there just found itself here. Somebody started on it. It's rough. Oh my goodness, it's rough. Yeah, it looks like it needs a lot of help. Yeah. I'm sure there's somebody, some team, some outfit that would take this and make it like brand new. But boy, do you want to spend the time and money. Do you want to spend the time and money? That's a 67 Firebird. You're not getting around it. Got them there vent windows. Yeah, I'm here trying to locate a set of wheels for my 1953 Chevy-Step van, all aluminum body. Boy, finding 8 lug wheels for that, let me just tell you, it's a task. And I don't know if a junkyard is going to be my answer or not. I think I've been stung about 3 times already. Anyway, yeah, check out this Cooper here, Mini Cooper. I mean, the tag on it says it's from 24. I mean, it's all there. There's no dents. There's a little rust, slight rust. The inside is remarkable. I mean, I think the reason it ended up here is because of that leaks. Yeah, I think so. I think we had a bad leak. But gee, you know, all in all, this thing here could be brought around, I would think, anyway, you know? That's just me, of course. I hate to see these things go, but we do have a trillion of them floating around. I don't mean Mini Coopers, I'm just talking about automobiles in general. Yeah, we do have a lot of them. Now here, probably a 6-banger, but still, look at it, the body's decent, right? Yeah, look, come on now. Somebody gave up on this thing, right? Yeah, I mean, really, they actually look like this one was taken care of. I mean, come on, guys, somebody wants to bring this thing back to life now. Rip the 6-banger out of it. And, go, right? Yeah, I don't see any major problems with this one here. Hey, you know, this breaks my heart seeing this over here. Yeah, I know. 300. Not a C, but still. This one's been pieced out, I'll tell you. A lot of pieces off of this one. Somebody didn't take care of it, though. The inside is a mess. Even before I got here, you can tell. Yeah, you can tell. But, yeah, 300s don't belong in a junkyard, do they? Yeah, they're everywhere. This is in the middle of the woods, the end of Rhode Island. This is just a taste. I'm going to come back here and I'm going to film this place proper for you and see if we can't get some interest in the video, you know? So with that, I'm just going to leave it there and let you know that if you like this little short video, you might want to watch for my longer one, which I promise I'll get to you. Okay, so anyway, here we go. This was the new section. All kinds of stuff here ends up here. It's remarkable. It's remarkable.